Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to cover how to install TVS LP 46 DLite printer on a Windows computer. I am going to install this printer on my Windows 10. So you will require a driver. So please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from its official website, the TVS official website, or you can download the same driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After that, you just need to double click on it. Click on yes if it is asking for permission. After that, you need to just click on install. It is extracting the driver files, so please wait for that. After that, click on next and select the option install printer drivers and click on next. And then you will have to choose the USB option and it will search the USB connectivity and the next button will be active. I'm going to choose other, but you will have to choose a USB. After that, you will get this type of list of drivers. You just need to select your drivers, the model number of your printer, go down, and this is the driver CNBC TVS SE LP 46 DLite BPLE, this one. Select this one and click on next. And now here it is asking to choose the port where your printer is connected right now. So I recommend you to choose USB 001 or choose the port where the model number is listed here. If it is, the model number is listed, then you can choose that port as well. So then click on next and click on next again. Choose the option do not share this printer and click on next and click on finish. Restart the computer. It is asking to restart the computer. After that, it will be fine. After that, the printer will be installed successfully. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.